Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch. Mask on, fucking mask on.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Shelly, but if you've already been here, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to be bringing you guys along with me. I'm actually going to a few stores. I'm going to be doing a balcony revamp. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me while I go and pick out everything that I need for my balcony. I don't really know what stores I'm going to just yet. I know that I do need to go to Walmart, and I'm probably gonna stop at Target. I'm gonna see if Ross is open. So yeah, I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me. Don't mind my hair, I didn't really do much to it, but let's go. Okay, so I'm in the car. I'm on my way to Walmart. Let's open the sunroof. Even though I have the air on, it's hot AF outside. Walmart has this like fake grass rug, or like outside rug that looks like fake grass. So I'm going to get that from there. I already picked up the chair. I'll insert a clip here to show you guys as I was picking it up. I'm gonna go get the grass rug, or the outside rug, from Walmart, and then see if I can find some other outside furniture at Target. So I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me. Hopefully I can find what it is that I'm looking for. See you once we get in Walmart. Okay, so this is what I have for the outside. The turf-like rug. And then I grabbed a couple of plants. This one's fake, and then some other things. So yes, it is hot. Okay, so I was gonna go to Ross, but I'm actually just going to go to Target because I just don't feel like dealing with Ross right now. I know that it's like a line. Hopefully I can find the lights that I need and like a little side table. As you guys can see, I got the fake grass, or the outdoor rug, but I'm just hoping that Target has the rest of what I need so I can go home and get started because it is so hot. So I will see you guys when I get in Target. So Target has these, I don't know how much this is, but this is like something going on with it. Want to go for. That one is super nice. These are $100. It doesn't even open. This is crazy. They also have these. Let me see. They have these, and these are $69. These are $60. This is $89. Probably should have gone to Ross. So I found these things, and they're only $20. So like this one, I have that as like a little side table. So they have these string lights. So I think I'm gonna get these. The world is just a very strange place these days. I just rode past Dollar Tree. They have a ribeye steak for $1. I don't know, something in my spirit will not allow me to purchase a steak that's $1. Wait, that's my song. I got a bunch of dollars, I can spend them on her. She can be my lady, she can be my lover. That's enough of that. Anyway, so I am officially on my way home. I'm going home so I can officially get started. You guys, it is 90 degrees outside right now. I'm sweating just thinking about it. I will check back in once I get home and get set up and get ready, and yes. So see you guys when I get home.